Hey everyone, check out the VECELO 5-piece dining set featuring an industrial counter height table and 4 chairs perfect for your kitchen or breakfast nook. This stylish set combines a black marble textured table with brown wood textured chairs, adding a modern touch to any room. The chairs conveniently tuck under the table, saving space in small apartments, condos, or kitchens. Crafted with durable MDF panels and steel, the table supports up to 200 pounds, and each stool holds 300 pounds for safety. The spacious 43.3 by 27.5-inch tabletop offers plenty of room for meals and decorations. Ergonomic stools with wide backrests provide comfortable seating and help reduce back pain. Plus, the set is easy to clean and assemble, making it a practical and stylish addition to your home. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.